Hey everyone, it's Renee from Sweet Pea Labs here to give you a quick preview of the My Engineering Notebook. It's a printable notebook. It's 6 pages long. You can see here the steps that we have going on for this design process. Ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. And so if we move along, I'm just taking you through the slides here that are also included with the product just so that you can display them for your class. First page here, ask, what, who, when, how, where, why. I believe that hits Common Core standards as well in reading and writing. And I just left an open page here so that students can record their information, record their questions, whether they're drawing these or they're writing these. Either way is fine. The next step, imagine what are all the ways I could solve the problem. So this is where they're brainstorming ways that they could solve the problem. They haven't picked exactly the way that they're going to solve the problem, but they're really just thinking about every single possible way that they could possibly think of to solve that problem. Then plan, what will I create to solve the problem? What materials will I need? So that's something that's really important for them to think about. Oftentimes kids are thinking of these like massive solutions to problems and they want to build this giant machine. And so this is a good place to talk about sort of constraints, maybe not using that term with the younger kids, but like, can we really build something that's 9 feet tall? Okay, what kind of materials can we really use? Things like that. And so they can write or draw down what materials or items that they might need to build their prototype. And so that's a good spot to build in vocabulary such as prototype here. Next step, we've got create, which is just basically make something awesome. So they're going to take their plan and make something, and they're going to create it. And so they can draw a picture here of what their final product might look like. And also describe it. You could use labeling as well there, just a big open space. Improve. This is where kids get to make new iterations on their prototype. And so that's another vocabulary word that you can add in is iteration, is the same thing as making an improvement. And so what improvement can I make on the design? So whatever design they might have of whatever prototype they might have, maybe they want to make something smaller in a portion or work more smoothly. They can either write that down or they can draw a new picture of what it would look like. But basically this notebook is meant for kids to start recording information, scientific sort of information in a notebook and in a really easy, non-stressful manner. It's not confusing and you really can't get it wrong. So here's a picture of what the notebook looks like. And I made it super easy to print. You just print it front to back. It's in a PDF form. And when you print it front to back, it will just be in a stack of pages like this. And all you literally have to do is fold it in half. And when you fold it in half, those 3 pages make your 6-page notebook. You can choose to staple it if you want to. That's good to have the kids do as well. They love to staple things. So super easy to print, super easy to assemble, very simple for your students and for you as well to get going with those NGSS, the Next Generation Science Standards, and touching on engineering and design. So check out some of my other things in my store. I have my design journal as well. I've got some things for older grades in regards to scientific method and engineering design process, both digital notebooks and printable. So check it out. See y'all later.